Introducing the 2019 Nissan Rogue. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.